The suffering. Why am I here in the rain? What is my purpose? How come I haven't become a bird fighter yet?
Hey, I ate your food again. I also ate the supermarket. Give scrubs.
I hate this cage. Let me out. Life sucks in the cage. It destroyed my feathers.
You think it's bad? I'm in a home with humans.
I'm itchy.
What you doing? What are you doing? Watching my mom type hard.
I'm gonna ignore Tummy. Not gonna come to him. Not again.
Very itchy.
Shut up, I'm trying to sleep.
I'm leaving.
You made Mitty leave.
Any other vacant apartment rooms?
Wait, what? Mitty left. No.
Shut it.
How about you do it?
Help him.
How dare you try to spread diseases?
STOPP.
Where is the exit?
Whoa, is that a mealworm?
Where exit?
Wait, where am I? I'll eat you. Never mind.
Hey, stop moving. Okay, that's it.